Hello, today we will be walking through the process of how to apply and use a shared DocuSign template. We will begin by opening a web browser and navigating to the DocuSign website, located at DocuSign.com. While here, you also may want to create a bookmark for ease of use in the future. Once the DocuSign homepage has loaded, we will navigate to the top right-hand side of the page and select Login. On the login page, you will use your Fresno State email name and then select Continue. You may be redirected to the Fresno State Campus Login service page. If so, just enter your username and password as usual. You'll now be prompted to choose a user. By selecting your name, you should then be brought to your DocuSign portal homepage. At the top of the portal page, there is a yellow button labeled New. We start by clicking the New button and then choose Send an Envelope. We can now upload a document that can be set up for the DocuSign approval process. In this example, we will be uploading a Fresno State purchase requisition that was completed in BizFlow and saved to the desktop as a PDF. We begin by clicking the blue Upload button and select our PDF file. After the PDF has been uploaded, it will appear with a small thumbnail image of the document. DocuSign will now prompt to select a matching template. We are going to manually apply our template, so we will choose Cancel to close the dialog box. Looking at the thumbnail of the PDF, you may notice 3 vertical dots in the lower right-hand corner. After clicking, the 3 dots will reveal a selection menu. Once the selection menu pops up, we are going to choose Apply Templates. Now prompted with the template selection window, we are going to choose Browse from the top menu. On the lower left-hand side of the Browse selection window, there is a Shared Folders option. We will select the Shared Folders option, then navigate to the Procurement section and select our purchase requisition template that we will apply to the PDF document we just uploaded. After the template has been applied, we now have the option to add or remove from the signature block. For this example, we will add ourselves in order to illustrate how the process functions. You'll notice that once you have typed in a recipient's name and address, DocuSign will remember, so you can use that contact again elsewhere. The signature block lists the approvers in the order that they will need to sign the document. If you find that you no longer need a particular approver for a given document, they can simply be removed by hovering over the signature block entry and clicking on the black round X icon to the right. For this approval process, procurement will be the final signature needed. Now that we have finished with the signature block, our next step is to customize the email that will be sent along with the document. We will begin by updating the vendor name as well as adding a department or division name to help purchasing better identify where the requisition is coming from. It is very important to indicate who is submitting this document, as procurement will use this to uniquely identify the request. Make sure to update each of the email subject lines with your vendor and department info. Once done, we will select Next from the lower right-hand side of the screen. We are now presented the requisition with the signature template applied. To verify that the template is applied correctly, you can select each of the Sign Here boxes and it will show you the individual's name in the upper right-hand side of the screen. If the mapping is incorrect, you have the option to change it by selecting the appropriate individual from the drop-down list. We are going to choose to send this now. Notice that because we have included ourselves in the approval workflow example, DocuSign is prompting us to sign this document. We will go ahead and click Sign Now. This now will walk us through the workflow review process, first by asking us to click Continue, then by presenting us the document to sign by clicking Start or Sign Here. We then finalize the document by clicking Finish. Because we set ourselves as the secondary signer, we are now presented with a request message in our DocuSign inbox. We'll go ahead and add the second signature now and finish the document workflow in order to send it on to purchasing. Now that the document has been signed and sent, we will navigate back to the DocuSign portal homepage. You can track the progress of the approval process in the Overview section. We will select the Waiting for Others section, where you can see the status of the purchase requisition and where in the approval process it is currently. If you are looking for info on a particular document, choose the More button and then select History to see a detailed accounting of the document and its status. You can also select the thumbnail to load the document and show you the signatures that have already been received, as well as your tracking number and PO number. Once the approval process is complete, you have the option to download a certificate of completion, as well as the document itself, in a combined PDF for archival purposes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it has helped you understand the DocuSign process for applying a shared template a bit better.